day. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. It's now 6:20 and I have a meeting at 6:30 and I'm ready for the meeting. Oh, it's dark outside, but there's light inside. Hey, did you see that? There is light inside. Oh, I can hear you clearly. There's no echo, there's no feedback. This early morning meeting was for a podcast. It was lovely. I'm excited to share my story about coming to Mexico, maybe relationship and business. And one thing that stood out is that I never liked sharing my story. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. But I realized that with sharing my story, it can inspire people. And it's like when you read someone's biography or when you watch a documentary of someone's biography, you're inspired and you want to connect with them. And I realized that with sharing my story, whether it's beyond mostly business, people reach out. And so yeah, I have now become comfortable with sharing my story. And it's okay not to share, and it's okay not to share everything. You can share what you want. So that podcast I am excited about, and I will also share the link with you when the podcast is out. I will go back to bed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna basically relax. I'm gonna listen to a Spanish podcast and take you along my day and let you see what I get up to. A busy morning with meetings, chatting with a friend, catching up with a friend, and now we are having breakfast in Buen Dia again.
Está muy fuerte, trabajo hoy, ¿verdad? Pero como anda congelada, necesita el salecito. Por ella la escogimos.
¿Es lo mejor?
Órale.
Gracias.
Sí, lo traigo tú.
¿Y el té?
El té.
Ahorita.
Sí. I came back home from breakfast with the husband, and now I'm going to finish some work. Andy is not acting right, and for that reason, I'm taking him to the vet. Vamos. I'm taking him to the vet to send him away for Christmas camp, no? Is there such a thing as Christmas camp? Well, hopefully they will gladly accept him because he's not acting. Y el costo por dos semanas aproximado.
Ok. ¿La podemos pesar?
Ah, ok. 20 kilos.
20 kilos.
Sí.
¿Prefiere?
Price or the cost for him to stay away or go to camp. Hopefully he get some training. It's not bad, and he's going to camp in a nice location with good amenities. How we living? Yeah, so that's pretty much my day. I want to say thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.